how to use LUTs on CapCut PC. So if you want to use LUTs on your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you can simply go with a project, open up your CapCut and go with create project. Now go with import and select a video in which you would like to add your LUT. So I'll be choosing a video. Now you just need to simply scroll down or drag that to the bottom. Once you drag that to the bottom, now you need to go with import section and go with import. And here you need to import your LUT that you've just downloaded. Once you've selected, now if you want to add a LUT, then you just need to simply go with the adjustment, which is on the upper right, and then make sure that you've turned on the LUT feature. Once you've turned it on, now here on the bottom, you'll have LUT option. But in my case, I don't have that option right here, right now. So if you have the LUT option under this section, then you just need to simply go with LUT. Or if you choose the adjustment option, you will have the LUT option right here. So go with LUT and go with import. And here you will have your LUTs. So make sure to download it and then you can go with open and your LUT will be imported. And once you've imported, now you can simply drag and drop that to your video and click on it. And then you can simply go with the right side, which has that adjustment option on the upper right. Go with the intensity and then temperature, tint, saturation, exposure and everything, the lightness and all. You can simply go and adjust it all. And you can see that you'll be able to use the LUT in this way. Or you can also go with the second LUT. You can drag and drop the second LUT also and remove the first one. And you can see that you'll have this kind of interface. So that's how you can use your LUTs on your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.